Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. This is a short video of why you should visit the south of Sweden. This is Malmö. Malmö has lots of camping opportunities. You can bring your rented trailer or van, or even just a tent. A tent spot costs about $20 per night, and a spot for your trailer with electricity costs about $35 per night. Be sure to check the availability beforehand. Since Malmö is in the south of Sweden, the weather is always warmer than, for example, Stockholm. Malmö is also one of very few places that have sandy beaches. Most of the beaches in Sweden are rocky beaches. Malmö offers good nightlife and lots of bars. During summertime, they put up stages and have live music outside. There's also sport bars to show all the soccer games. A beer costs between $5 and $9 depending on the brand. If you want a break from the busy city, you can always go thrift shopping in a barn. They sell everything between unique handcrafts and stuff that you would find in a garage clear out. In Malmö you can get around easy in a car, and there's also buses going everywhere. But as you can see here, it is very popular to ride a bike. Walk around downtown, have some lunch, do some shopping. There are malls and lots of stores. architecture is very different from other big cities in Sweden. The buildings here are very modern and tall. Visit, for example, the Turning Torso, churches, and you can see lots of interesting sculptures just downtown. Even the offices and the apartment buildings look cool. We found this huge tree. It must be very old. Please tell me if you have any questions about visiting Malmö or Sweden in general. I have lived both in Stockholm and in Gothenburg. Just leave a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.